Hi everyone and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. I do realise that I never put in yesterday's video the reason that I took a week off from filming anything, but I will do that at some point. If not today, I'll do it in tomorrow's video because I'm quite busy today. It's my granddad's 90th birthday, so I'm trying to sort out a present thing for him from all of the family. Anyway, for my breakfast slash lunch today, I'm having a bacon, egg and mushroom sandwich. I've got 2 slices of wholemeal bread, which is my healthy extra B. I've got 1 teaspoon of Flora Light, which is half a sin. I've got some fried mushrooms, which is speed, a fried egg, which is free, and fried bacon medallions, all fried in Fry Light, so they're all free. And then I've got a tablespoon of ketchup, which is 1 sin. So 1.5 cents in total for today's breakfast. Oh, I'm going to have a banana as well, I just never put it up here. And for dinner tonight we're having something very similar to what we had yesterday. Sorry, it's a rice dish with some kale. This is arroz con pollo. It's this recipe from the Two Chubby Cubs cookbook. Wait, see if I can... Don't know if anybody can see all of that. It's meant to look like this. I don't know if mine does. Little bit. It works out at half a cent per portion because of the olives that are used in it. That's all that's in it. Everything else is free or speed. And then on the side for speed, I've got some more kale because I just wanted to use the bag that we had. And I've got some broccoli as well. And then for pudding, I'm going to have a toffee Miller Lite, which is half a cent, and one of these Bliss Crispy Delight bars. I've not even tried these yet. 4.5 cents, so that's 5 cents for that and a half a cent for my dinner. That brings my total cents up to 7 cents for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again tomorrow.